Hi guys! Ever wondered what happens when two tables connect to each other perfectly? That's not just rare, that's powerful. I mean, a column which has absolutely no duplicate solves 90 to 100% of the problems in that table. In this video, I'm going to teach you what a one-to-one relationship is, when to connect them, and how best to make this relationship work. A one-to-one relationship is when two columns with absolutely zero duplicate try to connect to each other. And mind you, these columns are in different tables too. I'll give you an instance. It's when a column with zero duplicate in table A tries to connect with a column with absolutely no duplicate in table B. We're going to use the customer table and the count of referral table. So let's confirm that they have absolutely no duplicate in the customer ID. This is the customer table. And over here, we see that the column here has zero duplicate as this also displays. In the count of referral, we also see here, clicking on this, it displays under here that the number of rows in the whole table, 9 rows, and the distinct count also in this particular column, 9 rows. So definitely no duplicate. So let's connect them now. Hold down to this customer ID, drag and drop. Yeah, so let's open up to ensure that it created what we wanted to create. And we see it here now, one-to-one relationship, very, very powerful connection. So we have successfully created this one-to-one relationship. There's a whole lot coming our way. Like in the next video, I'll be teaching on the commonly used visuals and how to use them, also when to use them too. And further after that, we'll be creating our first report in Power BI and so much more. Just stay tuned, click the buttons, and just stay updated. Catch you in the next video.